Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming essentials, an Apple developer account, and a Mac with Xcode. Once done, set your app bundle ID and increment the version and build number so App Store Connect accepts uploads. Make sure all icons and launch images match Apple's sizes. Then run Flutter build iOS release to produce the iOS project and open iOS/runner. XC workspace in Xcode to continue. This moves you from Flutter to Apple's toolchain, where signing and archiving occur. Now you handle signing and the archive. In the Apple Developer Portal, confirm the app ID and provision a profile, or let Xcode manage signing automatically. In Xcode, pick your team, target a generic iOS device, and choose Product Right Arrow Archive to create the distributable. Once archived, press Validate to catch code signing or entitlement issues early, fix any mismatches in signing and capabilities, and then upload the validated archive to App Store Connect. This is the core step. Finish by completing the App Store Connect listing. Write the description, add screenshots at required sizes, set pricing, and add privacy details. Once the build appears, attach it to a release or push it to test flight to gather early feedback. You then submit for review and pick automatic or manual release. Make sure entitlements and App Store screenshots match the binary. If review fails, inspect the rejection notes, reproduce the issue locally, fix the offending build, and resubmit. Common fixes are signing, missing permissions, or incorrect info. List keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.